Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video for you. Today, guys, we are reviewing GoatTech, which is a trust validator of Web3, where you can stake Ethereum to validate trust and yields, build and monetize reputation. So let's see if you are trustworthy, if you know what I'm saying, guys. So today I will be also staking some Ethereum to show you how it all works. It is on Arbitrum, okay? It's kind of easy to obtain Ethereum on Arbitrum. You just need to find a proper exchange and then get yourself some Ethereum on Arbitrum network. Well, it's pretty cool because the transactions are fast and also they are very cheap, unlike on normal ERC20 network. But anyways, guys, before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So first, let's go over their website. Let's see what they have to say, and then we'll jump into the application. As you can see, I already have my wallet connected, because you connect through MetaMask or other Web3 wallet, and then you can access the app in itself, guys. So, what is GoatTech? On-chain reputation infrastructure on EigenLayer to bring yields and broadcast your reputation across chains. It is fully decentralized, reimagined trust score, secured by Ethereum, and yield bearing, because you can generate yourself some yield and rewards for staking here, guys. So, you can stake Ethereum to validate trust, earn yields, build and monetize reputation, guys. On-chain reputation infrastructure is on EigenLayer and it is bringing you the yields, okay? So as you can see, at the core of GoatTech is Trust Score, a measure of reputation reimagined with yields. Socially, actively validated, influenced by other entities, not simply based on past on-chain activities. It is also gamified. Many types of rewards incentivize participants to validate or invalidate one's reputation to their best knowledge. This is also on-chain, can be fed by any dApp to assess, classify or target users. Dynamic, self-adjust to reflect real-life liquidity situation that drives on-chain activities. Yield bearing, earn Ethereum staking and later restaking yields while building your reputation or helping validate others, and they are also fully decentralized and not dependent on any centralized algorithms or labels. You have the product roadmap here, guys, as you can see, divided onto two phases. That's how it looks like, and then also they are governed by their own GOAT token, guys. And GOAT token is also a token with utility, and it is also scarce token. So first of all, with the utility, you have Boost, where you can boost your trust score and earnings that way. You can vote, so it is also something that I really like about the project, and you can earn airdrop and protocol fees. So when it comes to the scarcity, guys, they have burning, so all fees collected in GOAT are burned, so they are decreasing the supply, right? And there is also halving. As you can see, emission is halved every 24 months. But when it comes to burning itself, it is also effectively decreasing the supply and increasing the demand, so the price can go up that way, because that's how it usually works when it comes to scarce tokens. Endless demand as well, more and more tokens required to maximize trust score and win challenges, guys. So let's talk a little bit about Phase DApp, which is first gamified on-chain reputation protocol with native field. So it is a social fi game where users stake Ethereum to increase each other's reputation, guys. And Phase Layer 2 is first restaking Layer 2 for on-chain reputation. It is the only Layer 2 built on a unique combination of components that natively restake deposited Ethereum to earn you not just Ethereum staking yield, but later also restaking rewards, guys. The only Layer 2 that helps you maximize Ethereum yields while building your reputation and increasing your Ethereum balance. And also ecosystem, wallets, lending protocols, launchpads, etc. So you can build on your reputation infrastructure, or I should say on theirs reputation infrastructure. When it comes to achievements, guys, they have achieved over 48,000 testers, 212,000 Ethereum staked within 2 weeks, 4 out of 4 times at top 1 on Binance Live, guys. Expert and Hold Station partnerships, so they are also really huge on partnerships. They are audited by Cantina. 100 plus security researchers have participated in their security audit, guys. So it is also worth noting, okay? So they are offering multiple ways to earn money on Arbitrum, guys, on Arb mainnet. And how do they do it? So let's jump into the mainnet into the website, into the application, guys. So you have the mainnet point. You can earn Ethereum and mainnet points by staking your Ethereum and encouraging others to stake Ethereum in your pool. So mainnet points will be converted to GOAT tokens when GOAT Layer 2 is launched. Okay. Then you also have bonus paradise. Users from platforms such as dbank, friend.tech, Degen Score, HoldStation, and others can claim free mainnet points. So if you are not active on these platforms, you can still earn by using your referral code to invite others to claim their mainnet points, and these guys will earn you 20% of their mainnet points. So this is a lot if you think about it. There is also Trust Raffle, stake any amount of Ethereum and stand a chance to win a significant prize in Ethereum. It's also pretty cool to see that you can have a chance winning some big money by just staking, where, you know, by staking in itself you are making money, so it's, you know, an addition. And then also referral bonus. So if you invite others to join GoatTech, every time your friends earns points, you will receive 20% of their direct mainnet points and 5% of indirect, guys. So you can earn a lot through referrals here, okay? So trust to earn on GoatTech. You have stake, rally, challenge, and vote. So when it comes to stake, you can pick trustworthy people, stake Ethereum, earn stake reward Ethereum, earn mining reward GOAT, and earn trust reward Ethereum and GOAT. Funds are SAFU. So as they explained here, no one can steal your money. Then you also have rally. You can invite your followers to stake Ethereum in your pool, earn pool reward in Ethereum, risk-free because there is no investment, so it's also pretty cool. And you can attract stakers with attractive trust reward rate. Challenge, guys: find wrongdoers, build a case, invite the public to vote, lock Ethereum to win Ethereum, take wrongdoers' money before they can exit, and then vote, review challenges, challenge cases to vote, earn Ethereum if your side wins, risk-free, zero fee to vote, guys. Protect trustworthy people and take down wrongdoers. So you have different leaderboards, as you can see: rising stars, how much they have staked today, how much they have staked in total, and you can see the people here. Then you also have the Hall of Fame, top earners, top stakers, as you guys can see, 91 Ethereum from this guy only. And then you also have top trusters, okay? So this is how it looks like here, how many trustees they have added, you know, how many they have added today. Then you also have challenges, new earnings, new activities, trust circle, and all of that. Token information in itself and what I explained you about it just a second ago. Then there is also FAQ, and now let's get into the interesting stuff, guys. Let's finally stake some Ethereum. So as you can see, I have 0.11 Ethereum in my balance, guys, and today we will be jumping in with 0.1 Ethereum to show you the staking. So you have home section, profile section, stake for GOAT, earning, trust circle, challenge notifications, and trust raffle, guys. So to get started, you connect your wallet through MetaMask. So this is what I already did, and then you hit stake button here. It will pull up this, as you can see, the statistics of the staking. It will show you when does it unlock. So in this case, I've chosen 1 month, so it will unlock after 1 month. It shows you the amount of staking, what is the self-stake multiplier, staking power, guys. So, well, let's jump right into it. You hit stake, and then after that, MetaMask pulls up, and you need to sign the transaction for the Ethereum. So in my case, it's 0.1 Ethereum, and let's get right into it. So we confirm this, and after that we need to wait for the Arbitrum network to confirm our transaction with this Ethereum. So as you can see, it's already confirmed on my side, and as you can see, I have staked 0.1 Ethereum successfully. So, well, I'm already earning right here, okay? So it's pretty cool. Now we can go to, okay, as you can see, it has updated here. What else do we have here? Notifications. I don't need the notifications, but can obviously enable them if you want. And it shows you your history. As you guys can see, it shows you your amount, your fees, your duration, transactions, and also it shows you your trust score, which in my case is 0.15, whether you are trustee, your trustee count, how much you have staked, what is your SRR, your stake reward, and trust reward. So you are getting all of this information here. Then you also have your trust circle right there, guys, as you can see, and you can make your money, which is also, as I said, pretty pretty cool thing. Then you also have your challenges, as you can see. You can take a part in this as well. You have your notifications, as I said, and you have your trust raffle. So you have different pools, different draws, which you can join, and the pools are different every single time. You can see how many players there were, how many entries, and who has won. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So essentially in earning, you have all of your earnings. Then you can also after the period of time, you can unstake your Ethereum or you can restake it. It is up to you, but basically if you have Ethereum and you don't want it to just sit in your wallet, and if you want to make it work for you, then you can do it via GoatTech. So what I also wanted to recommend you guys doing is join their Twitter, okay, or X. So let's do it with me. Let's follow them. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. They are very active here, posting different news. As you can see, they are also hosting Twitter Spaces, so it's also very cool to see that they are engaging with the community actively. You can also join their Telegram, guys, and if you want to learn more specifically about the technology and everything, then they have a full white paper on Gitbook, which you can explore. So I will link everything down below in the description of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you liked the video. That will be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next videos coming.